In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge JPEG images into a single PDF using Acrobat Pro. If you've ever found yourself with a collection of JPEG images that you'd like to consolidate into one tidy PDF document, you're in the right place. Acrobat Pro is a powerful tool that can handle this task with ease, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. First, let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. It's essential to ensure the software is launched because we'll use it to combine our images. Once Acrobat Pro is up and running, navigate to the Tools section. Here, you will find a myriad of tools designed to enhance your documents. We are interested in the Combine Files tool, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the file combination window, which is where the magic happens. Next, we need to add our JPEG images. Look for the option that says Add Files. It's usually quite prominent. Click on it and a window will appear that allows you to select the JPEG images you desire to include. You can select multiple images at once by holding down the Control key while clicking on each file. Once selected, hit Open and you'll notice the images appear as thumbnails within the combination window. The order in which they are listed is the order they will appear in the final PDF. If you're particular about the sequence of the images, you have the freedom to rearrange them. Simply click and drag the images to your preferred order. For instance, if you want a specific image to serve as the cover or first page, drag that image to the top left corner. This flexibility allows you to tailor the document to your precise needs. Now that your images are in order, it's time to create your PDF. You'll see a button labeled Combine. Give it a click. Acrobat Pro will automatically convert your images into a PDF format and merge them into a cohesive single document. This process is usually swift, depending on the number of images and their sizes. Once completed, you'll have a neatly packaged PDF containing all your selected JPEG images. It's ready to be saved, shared, or printed, providing a seamless way to present and store visual content. This tool is invaluable for professional presentations, portfolios, or simply organizing personal photos. And there you have it. You've successfully merged JPEG images into one PDF using Acrobat Pro. This efficient process is a testament to the versatility of Acrobat, simplifying what could otherwise be a cumbersome task. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials or community forums for support.